Hello, this is Esther Upham Aluoch. Today I would like to teach you from my book, Worship Now, Here's How, and I would like to teach you rhythms. And I would like to look at page 10, and this is exercise 1. Turn your books to page 10 and look at the top of the page at diagram 2. Here you will see 3 different kinds of notes. The first one is called a quarter note. It receives 1 count. Notice that it's colored in and it has a stem. The next type of note that you see is not colored in, but it does have a stem. It is called a half note and it receives 2 counts. The final one on the bottom is not colored in, it does not have a stem, and it is called a whole note. It receives 4 counts. What that means is that the quarter note establishes a pulse, a beat. So if you think of your heartbeat, it keeps beating continuously. Beat, 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 beat. That's an example of what the quarter note should be like. A continuous beat. 1, 1, 1, 1. Then we double that for the half note so that you hold that note, that pulse. 1, 2, 1, 2. Or beat, hold, beat, hold. And then for the whole note, you quadruple that. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4. Or beat, hold, hold, hold. Now we will clap and count together. Exercise 1. Exercise 1. Number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. And I'll do number 1 again, but this time I'll be counting by saying quarter, quarter, half note, etc. Number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter, 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 quarter. Half note, half note. Quarter, half note, quarter. Whole note, hold it off. Number 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1. Off. Number 2 again, saying quarter and half note. 1, 2, 3. Quarter, quarter, quarter. Half note, quarter, 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 quarter. Half note, quarter. Off. Number 3. 1, 2. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2. Off. Number 3. This time I'll count saying quarter and half note. Ready? Go. Quarter, 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 quarter. Half note, half note. Stop. You'll also notice that each example I counted a different number. That was based on the time signature that came at the very beginning. Number 1 says 4, 4 at the beginning. Number 2 says 3, 4 at the beginning. And number 3 says 2, 4 at the beginning. The top number tells us how many beats are in the measure, and the bottom number tells us that the quarter note is the beat note, meaning the quarter note is the one that gets 1 count for this type of time signature. That concludes exercise 1.